All right, check this one out. Another month, another lift at Tacoma. This one here is an off-road in Army Green. Check it out. This is your factory Tacoma lift that you can buy right from Toyota. Gives it a wonderful look. Of course, it does come with the Kevlar Goodyear Territory AT tires on them. So solid truck, not a really loud tire, but a good tire nonetheless. This is the last year for Army Green in the Tacomas. There's still a few of them out there we can put our hands on, so if you're looking for one, we could probably track one down for you before the end of the year. And then Army Green's gone for a while. I'm sure they'll bring it back at some point. When you do get the factory Tacoma lift, you also get this heritage grille. Comes with that lift. Gives it the TRD Pro look. Check out the inside. This is a premium off-road, so it does have your Softex leather, your heated seats, your wireless charging station, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto with standard equipment. And then this one has the original grille and the factory suspension components that are left over from the lift. Composite bed, power outlet in the bed, cargo tie downs. All these are pre-wired for towing. Push button start, keyless access. Does have the JBL stereo system. And your split screen with your nav. Since it is an off-road, it does have a locking rear differential. It also has crawl control and then multi-terrain mode as well. So you literally can put this thing in four-wheel drive low, turn on crawl control, and this is going to control how fast you crawl your object. So pretty cool deal with the off-roads. If you'd like to know more or have me track one down for you, you can get a hold of me at 218-454-2247. That's my direct line. Thanks again and have a great day.